Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wix website to social media. This is a fantastic way to drive traffic between your website and your social profiles, making it easier for visitors to follow and engage with your brand across multiple platforms. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard, which is your central hub for managing everything related to your site. From here, look over to the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. This will trigger a drop-down selection to appear, giving you access to different parts of your site's setup. From this drop-down, go ahead and click on Website. Now you'll be taken to a page where you can see the website settings. Take a moment here to make sure that this is the correct website you want to connect your social media accounts to. If you manage multiple sites, it's easy to mix them up, so double-checking now will save you time later. Once you've confirmed you're working with the right site, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find this at the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to editing the visual elements of your website, so click on it to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to customizing your site's appearance. From here, you need to locate the social media icons you wish to link your accounts to. These could be Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or X. These icons are typically located in the header or footer of your website, so scroll up or down until you spot them. Once you've found the social media icons, double-click on one of them to open the linking options. After double-clicking, you'll be directed to the Set Social Links dashboard. This is where you can add links to each icon, connecting them to your business or personal social media accounts. You'll see a list of the different social platforms available. Click on the link or chain icon next to the platform you want to connect, and then enter the social media URL you wish to use. Make sure you paste the full URL, including https:// to ensure the link works properly. Once you've entered the URL, click Done to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Wix website to your social media accounts, making it easy for visitors to find and follow you on their favorite platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.